Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add funds to RedotPay account. So first of all, simply launch your RedotPay application and then sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now, if you don't have a RedotPay account or if you haven't received your $5 welcome bonus, you can just simply use the link that is given in the description in order to sign up, and this way you will get your free welcome bonus of $5. Now over here, when you are inside your app, you are going to see the option of deposit or buy coins and swap. So basically, in order to add the funds, simply tap on the option of deposit. Now you will be shown two different options to add funds. First of all, since this is a crypto card or the crypto application, you can deposit the cryptocurrencies, or you can also tap on the option of fiat and then you can add funds over here. So you can choose any of the fiat cryptocurrencies, whether it is GBP or euro, and then you need to basically, in order to add funds, the currency that you have selected, you need to basically tap on the option of activate here in the bottom. Afterwards, you need to press continue here in the bottom, and then you need to provide your account details. After confirming all these details, you will be landed on the next page where you can basically link your bank account, and then you will be able to add funds in the cryptocurrency that you have selected. So basically the fiat currency that you have selected. Similarly, you can also tap on the option of crypto. You can select the cryptocurrency and then you can add funds. Now all of the funds that you are going to add here in RedotPay will be shown on the estimate total value or on the home page. As you can see, I have 6.8 USD available, so that's how you will be able to add funds. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.